if you're at a point in your life, maybe you're relatively successful, but suddenly you're feeling unfulfilled. You're feeling like there's more, but you're not really able to reach it. You know you want something bigger in your life, something grander. Maybe it's more money, maybe it's better relationships, maybe it's better health, but you just can't figure out what's holding you back. The answer in 90% of those cases is the limiting beliefs that have been programmed into your subconscious mind. So it's very hard to understand your subconscious mind. It's subconscious. You almost always need a third party to help you with that. You need someone who can objectively listen to where you are today, what it is you desire, and begin to analyze what is it that's holding you back. Because it won't be clear to you. It wasn't clear to me what my limiting beliefs were. I had to work with a coach to help me figure that out. And by the way, my wife points it out to me often. But once you understand your limiting beliefs, then you can address them. You can go through a belief change modality. There are many of them, and begin to change things in your subconscious mind that hold you back. And that's when you begin to break through to new levels. That's when you begin to realize there are no limits to your life.